How to fix no service SIM card problem on iPhone. So this problem can happen due to software glitches, SIM card errors or network issues. So here is how to fix it. First of all, the simple way to fix it is to restart your iPhone. Hold the power button and simply hold the volume down button together and slide to power off. Then wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Sometimes a simple reboot or restart can fix the network glitches. After that, eject and reinstall the SIM card. Use a SIM eject tool or paper clip to remove the SIM tray and clean the SIM gently with a soft cloth and reinsert it carefully and ensure it is aligned properly. This helps if the SIM was not seated correctly. After that, all you have to do is open the Settings app from your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset, and inside Reset you can simply tap on Reset All Settings, or you can also tap on Reset Network Settings. This will reset the Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, so make sure you have them saved. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.